Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. Neptune and Uranus are sometimes called the twin giants because they're so much alike. They are about the same size, and they both glow with the same blue-green color. Unlike Uranus, Neptune is covered with thick clouds. Neptune has at least 8 moons and 5 dust rings. It takes Neptune about 165 Earth years to go around the Sun. Pluto. Before 2006, the space object called Pluto was the 9th planet of our solar system, but scientists, after much debate, voted to create a new category called 12 planets for space objects like Pluto. 12 planets orbit the Sun, have nearby round shapes, are not moons, and unlike planets, have not cleared the neighborhood around their orbits. 3 space objects have been categorized as dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, and UP313. Ceres orbits the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto is an oval orbit that makes its orbit cross paths with Neptune's. UP313 is currently the farthest planet from the Sun. Many more space objects could be categorized as dwarf planets in the years to come. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky metallic objects orbiting the Sun. They are too small and oddly shaped to be called planets or even dwarf planets. They range in size from a few feet in diameter to hundreds of miles in diameter. Most asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. Some have orbits that cross Earth's path, and in the past some have even crashed into Earth. Asteroids and other smaller objects called meteoroids that float in space and enter Earth's atmosphere are called meteors. Most burn up in the atmosphere. If they survive the trip and land on the ground, they're called meteorites. Among the best evidence of an asteroid hitting Earth is the Beringer crater near Winslow, Arizona. Comets are composed of ice and dust and are like large dirty snowballs in space. They have very oval-shaped orbits. For part of that orbit, they come close to the Sun, and then they swing far out into space. Some comets orbit the Sun in less than 200 years. The most famous of these is Halley's Comet. It returns every 76 years. Other comets take thousands of years to complete an orbit. Comet Hyakutake, which passed close to the Earth in 1996, will return in about 9,000 years. Conclusion. Humans are fascinated with outer space. There are thousands of books and hundreds of television programs and movies devoted to space travel. We wonder about other solar systems in space. Humans are curious about the universe, and we like going in search of new adventures. As technology continues to advance, many of the space adventures that are now only fantasy may become real. Monday, September 5th. Today is Monday. I woke up earlier than usual wake up time because I will go to school by bus. Last week, mother took me to school, but this week I have to go to school by bus. So I woke up about 30 minutes earlier than last week, so I was very tired, but I watched very fast and ate very fast, so I had little time to rest. So I watched TV a little bit and went to bus stop, and I took a bus and went to school. Today I thought we will have 7 classes, because this week we have 7 classes except 7 classes every day except Wednesday. Last week we had only 6 classes, so we were very happy. But today we had 6 classes, so we were very happy. So after school I had 1 hour left for rest. So I played soccer with my friends, and I went to Math Academy. I wasn't very hot because it was about 3. But I was very tired and thirsty, so I rested in the bus. There were not so many people in the bus because I took the bus very late time. Relatively other students. So, and in the Math Academy, I couldn't do anything because I didn't bring my pencil case and even my textbook and a note. So I just studied my words. And I went to English Academy and came back to home and ate dinner.